tradition includes some of the founding fathers of our country and the enduring American values of liberty, equality, and justice for all. Guided by the Masonic principles of brotherly love, relief, and truth, we enjoy our fellowship as we serve others. For nearly a century, the philanthropies established by the Grand Lodge of Minnesota have performed great services for fraternal members, their families, and the greater community. One Mason at a time, and with all of us together, we've been very successful, bringing charity and hope where it was needed. And people in our communities count on us to lend a helping hand. But our charity must stay flexible and responsive as our society's needs change. People facing new and enduring challenges in every town in Minnesota need our help. It's an opportunity for every Mason and every lodge. Everyone needs someone they can count on. Minnesota Masonic Charities, count on us to continue our commitment to help, aid, and assist.
Both the staff and all the help have been awfully, awfully nice.
I thank the Who for a lot of these blessings that I have.
We all know people who have been touched by cancer.
We feel that if we continue doing what we have been doing in the past way, we're eventually going to be able to lick this disease.
Oh, well, the Mason's contribution has been exceptional. It's really helped me become a better student, better, more rounded person, and the scholarships like this, it really opens up many doors, and I'm very thankful for it.
Masonry gives me a way of just feeling good about myself and knowing that I am making a difference in society.
The needs are great, and we only are somewhat aware of all of the needs. We try to learn more about them, and we try to respond to them to the best of our ability. And we certainly do it with the best of faith. We want to be as helpful as we can be, according to Masonic tradition.
Started in the early 1900s, Minnesota Masonic Homes is our largest charity. With hundreds of skilled nursing beds in 2 homes, together with transitional care units, assisted and independent living units, it's a safe, inviting, stimulating, and nourishing place that many of our elders enjoy calling home.
I'm in assisted living now, and which is very nice. I have a lovely apartment. It gives you some time to think about how fortunate you are to have a surrounding like this.
I'm thankful that there is a place like this.
Starting in the 1950s, the Masonic Cancer Center Fund has contributed nearly $20 million to build the Masonic Cancer Hospital and the Masonic Cancer Research Center at the University of Minnesota. As a result, countless patients have received treatments, new advancements in cancer research and treatments have been developed, and a significant educational institution has been created that continues to serve the public good.
We're very proud of what we're doing. We're getting it done, and we'd like to get it done a little more quickly. But I guess if you have a little impatience, that's going to make the process work a little bit better. I think we should all be a little more impatient, especially when it comes to something like this.
Our Minnesota Masonic Foundation, started in the 1970s, seeks to serve a variety of fraternal and community needs. For the past 10 years, the principal focus of the foundation has been matching fund scholarships and the Help, Aid, and Assist Fund.
Just being a part of the foundation is very rewarding. It's been a wonderful way to reach out and be of assistance. Most of us really don't like to ask for help, but sometimes it's necessary.
Minnesota Masons have also responded to a variety of community needs, including school reading programs and service at the VA hospitals.
In the case of Masons, if there is an opportunity to make a tangible contribution, a material contribution, that's wonderful. But I would say even more important would be the volunteer aspect.
I would say the work I'm doing at the VA hospital is in many ways God's work. I would say that whatever I give, I get back in some way, shape, or form.
And we have responded to special needs, including misfortunes like the Red River Valley flooding and the 9/11 disaster. And our Minnesota Masonic Historical Society and Museum is collecting, storing, displaying, and interpreting Masonic memorabilia for curious and appreciative audiences. But our times require more from the Masons, and we have much talent and power that we are not yet using. Shut-in seniors with little outside interaction or support need our attention. Declining school test scores, illegal drug use, delinquency, battered women, alcoholism, homelessness, and many more social ills beg our response. We can expand the reach of our expertise with seniors through programs like our telehealth pilot program. Telehealth is a health monitoring tool that is able to measure some key vital signs and provide medication reminders, all in the comfort of one's own home. Telehealth can help seniors to stay in their own home longer for a better quality of life. We need to do more in cancer research to hasten the day when cures are found. Our children and youth need mentoring based on our values to succeed. We need scholarships for the young, but also for those displaced workers needing new skill sets to find jobs in a global economy. People are counting on us, and we can do more. We continue our existing charitable work, but we get better organized. To do more for those we serve, and to provide even greater levels of charity, we bring our philanthropies together under an umbrella corporation so that the separate aims of each become the aims of all. Capabilities of our local lodges to respond to charitable needs continue to be developed, and members will have expanded opportunities for personal involvement in our communities. Our new organization makes it easier for members to get involved, develops our abilities to serve, handles our resources wisely, and makes important contributions to our communities. Rochester, Duluth, St. Paul, Hopkins, wherever we live, we're true to the moral and ethical values of Masonry. Committed, fulfilling the mission of delivering support to our members, our families, and our friends and neighbors. Activating members and lodges to bring much-needed services to our local communities.
Within the Brotherhood, the purpose of it is to aid and assist other Masons and other people within society, and we feel that we're accomplishing that. We'd like to do a lot more than we're doing.
I always feel good, always feel uplifted, always feel as though there must be other things that we can do. And how can we extend this? And how can we make this more a part of more Masons' lives and activities?
Whatever honors you might get in life, whatever titles and prestige, none of it's going to matter except for the legacy that you leave, the importance of what you've done for society, and how those efforts can be perpetuated throughout all of time.
One Mason at a time, and all of us together. Our communities count on us. True to our tradition, true to our work, charity extends beyond the grave through the boundless realms of eternity.